So let's try my warm-up. How was that?
That was warm.
Now I'm warmed up. Let's do more magic. Thank you.
Whoa!
Woo! 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 Yeah! Woo! 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 Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to continue. Could you go shut that music off, Alex? You just need to hit the pause button. Now I'd like to do some more magic, and this time I will call back up my handsome son Zachary to assist me. And if you'll stand right there, son. That's beautiful. And now at this time I'd like to call back up my duplicate of this son, the handsome Alexander. Come on up here, Alex. Stand next to your brother. Get a look at these guys side by side. Hard to tell the difference, isn't it? Well, we're going to find out the difference right now because I'm going to need one of these guys to volunteer to be cut in half. That's right. Let me get my saw right. Oh yeah, here we go. Yes, yes. We're going to use this to cut them in half. We're going to put that right over one of these guys' bellies. Yeah. Just like that. And then, what I'm going to do is use this power saw here. That's a Black & Decker power saw. I've gotten this at Home Depot. Check the blade, boys. It's really sharp. And if you can see, when I put it in, when I put this over the boys, we're going to cut right through one of their bellies with the saw. Just like that. Straight through this saw here. Right there. Now, boys, I'm going to need one of you to volunteer to do this. Now, who's it going to be? That's it, right, Zachary. Thank you. You're the brave man. Yeah, you step forward. Come on up. Step up here. Good job. Step up. Have a seat. Sit down. Lay yourself out there. Get comfortable. You need to move down that way more. More. That's good. Remember I said your butt cheeks need to be on the edge of that board. Okay, that's probably good. Let's hope you put yourself in the right position there. I don't know. I'm going to need... Alec, can you grab that towel, please? You're going to have to be my assistant. The towel in the bucket. Come over this way. That's it. Thank you. You all right? How was your trip? See you next fall. Okay, we're going to put that right over there. That used to be a white towel. It's kind of hard to get the blood stains out. Your mom did the best she could. Oh, we're going to have to plug this in. This is a power saw. We're going to plug it in right now. Yeah, here's the cord. I can just hook this up, make sure it's not turned on yet. That would be dangerous. And here we go, we can begin.
Dad, stop!
What's the
You forgot
problem?
your safety glasses.
Oh, he's right. Always use safety glasses when using a power tool. You're right, Alex. Please bring me my safety glasses. And I will begin cutting your brother in half. Alex? Safety glasses, look for a plastic bag. You should find my safety glasses. I'm glad we rehearsed these things ahead of time. Okay. There we go. That's not quite on my ear, but thanks anyway, son. This will be fine. What's so funny? Oh. Alex, those are for when we do Japan or China. Please, Alex, my safety glasses. No more jokes. Safety is utmost, even in magic. That's my boy. Alex, you have brought me the glasses for when we hit it big. Hollywood. We haven't hit it big yet. Save these for Hollywood, son. Please. When we walk in the red carpet, then we'll wear those. But come on, son. We need our safety glasses. It's important. You're wasting the public's time here. Bring me my safety glasses. Oh, Alex, you're gonna get fired. Remember, I have a replacement for you. He's sitting right here. Well, at least these are better, because see, now I can keep an eye on Alex, and I can keep an eye on Zachary, all at the same time. That's perfect. Thank you, Alex. You ready, son?
No.
No. Be brave. I have my safety glasses on for protection, and we're going to begin. Let me just make an adjustment here. Make sure I'm in the right place. I want to cut right down the middle. Whoop. Make sure the saw is finely tuned for the operation. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hard to see with these things. You. Okay, here we go, son. We're going right across. Oh, yeah. You all right? Look at Mommy. Make sure it shows she knows you're all right. Yeah. through. All right. Very good, son. You did an amazing job there. You can get up, take the towel off, take your applause, step on down. He's a brave boy. Very brave.
Thank you.
Don't worry, your day's gonna come someday. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that show. Woo!
Encore, encore. Thank you.
That was good. Now, the last thing, I guess that was it. I want to take your bow, and how about a hand for my gentleman here? Wonderful job. Come here. Come here. Stand on this side. Now, honey, hit the stop button. That's the stop button. Any one of the thumbs. And then switch it to photo.